It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.
Just got this in. It's more of a look at, and I'm just going to try to make sure it works. I bought a couple of them to charge tablets, and oh, it comes with a cable. I didn't know it came with a cable. Oh, that's great. And a charger. It's supposed to be 96-watt charger. Now this is an aftermarket product, another name product. So whatever product you're using this on, if it's you have to be aware that if your product says only use their product authorized items, you know, like Apple does say sometimes, where it says, you know, this is not a authorized product to be used in a charge or something like that. You're using this at your own risk, okay? At your own risk. So you're always taking a chance when you're not using the same name brand of the product that you're trying to charge. So, you know, again, use this at your own risk. So let me, it comes out just like the old ones from Apple. Nothing else in the box. I bought a couple of them just to have as backup. I'm going to be using one on my wife's MacBook Air. I'll try it out to make sure it does charge. Let me measure it. Almost 6 feet. If you're taking this around, see how much weight it is. With the cable, if you're putting it in your bag. Without the cable. This is the end here. So now I'm going to first try it on my wife's MacBook Air M2 laptop for charging. Plug it into the USB cable here. I'll let you know if it's charging. As you can see, it is charging the MacBook Air 15-inch M2 laptop. Just plugged it into my iPad Air M2 12.9-inch, and it is charging. And finally plugged into an iPad Pro 12.9-inch 5th gen, and it's working as well. I'm happy, it works, no complaints. Again, this was a look at and then kind of a mini unprofessional review. I just need it to work, and in a pinch, they come in handy when I need a quick charge. And I hope I get a long time with these items. The price was great. I think it was about $8. And for a 96 watt charger, I think it's pretty good. But again, use it at your own risk. All right. Bye now.
Please like and subscribe.